Hello audience, I hope you all are doing great. So today in this video we are going to learn about authorized signatory on the invoices. So we will see how to configure the authorized person and the signature of that, and then how we can print the signature in invoices. So for that, first of all we need to go to the accounting and configuration settings, and if we go down, then here we will see this authorized signatory on invoice, and we need to select the specific user, and then we can save. And then how we can print the signature, where to configure. So we will go to settings, users and companies, and here in user, and we can see we set up this user. And if you go to preferences, and here you can set up the digital signature, right? So we will set which here you can draw or load a specific image and save. So this is like I set up this as a basic. And if we go to accounting, customer, invoices, and we can see here this is the invoice, and I'm going to print this invoice. And let me open the invoice. Right, you can see how this print here, right, this signature image. So I hope this video will helpful to you to set up the authorized person signature on the invoices.